Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a 20-minute tidy up. I just dropped the kids off at school and the house is kind of a mess because we just kind of ran out the door, and so I'm just going to tidy up everything and clean up from breakfast, and I'm just going to see how much I can get done in 20 minutes. I feel like it won't be too much, but it'll be something. Just so you guys know, I am doing my 500 subscriber giveaway right now. I will link that video down below. If you guys want to go check that out and get entered for the giveaway. And also next week I'm going to be doing 5 days of cleaning. I'm going to be going through my weekly cleaning checklist and doing a different video for each day, like whatever that cleaning list tells me to do. So I will do 5 videos next week. I sure hope I can do it with my schedule. But yeah, I thought that would be some great motivation for you guys. So if you're new, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on those videos next week. And let's get to cleaning.